are many kinds of rice paper roll, and traditionally they are eaten with hoisin sauce. But to me, rice paper roll doesn't have a set of ingredients. It's pretty much what you like to eat. Today, I'm going to show you how I do my rice paper roll and the sauce that I prefer. Let's get started. I like to put a drop of oil into the simmering water. This helps to prevent the rice paper roll from drying out. So, we dip the rice paper into the simmering water. We fold the two sides. And then we add the lettuce. A bit of bean sprout. A little bit of rice noodles. Mint. A bit of cucumber. A bit of carrots. And of course, our prawns. Now, let's roll that up. And let's cut it up for presentation. Let me show you how I do coconut lime dipping sauce. First, we have the sugar, the coconut water, and let's stir. And then we add the lime juice, the fish sauce, garlic and chili, the shallot, the coriander, the lime segment, just before serving, we're going to add peanuts. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.